Hi guys, check out this beautiful broom decor for jumping the broom for your wedding. Thank you. Hi guys, thank you for joining me. Can you guess what I'm gonna do today? Quite obvious, right? I have a broom in front of me. So I am gonna be decorating this broom. One of my viewers reached out and asked if I could do something. So why not? Love the idea. I went and I bought this off Amazon. Everything is going to be linked in the description box, so make sure you check it out. Now the broom is pretty cute. It is not tall. This is a broom for a wedding, so I will say it's custom size. Okay. I feel like when you're finished, if you want to sweep with this, you can, or dust. Anywho, it came like this, nicely decorated, and if you want, some people can just use it just as is, but Lisa Natasha is gonna jazz it up for you. Okay, now it's gonna be a simple but elegant look. I love simple and elegant, or elegant, you know. So everything I have here, I'm gonna link this Amazon. All right, I went to Walmart and I got these jewel glass strand beads. They're all strong already, and I'm going to use them on the broom to decorate that. I got some floral wire, and I got this rose that I have, and I remember I did my wedding and I still have all my flowers, so I've just been recycling. So one rose, white rose, and this one is like a peachish white. This is very complemented white rose. I would say peach rose. Okay, so we're going to use 2 roses. I don't know what this is called, and I think I got this from Michael, but I don't know the name of it. You can use you know, baby's breath, or you can use berry bays. That will still create the look. Okay, so this is a type of fern, and this was also a type of fern, and these I got this one from Michael, and I know this came with a bunch, and I just cut piece off. Also, Amazon, I'm gonna link where I got this, on which vendor I got it from, and another piece I'm gonna link on Amazon. Now, I would say all of these flowers that I have, because they're pieces of flowers, and I bought my flowers on sale, I would say these are probably together $5. Yeah. If I add this to it now, because this is from Michael, the type of white berry from Michael. The name of it on Michael, or it was some berry bush. Okay. Then I would say it's I'm gonna say around $7. Could be less. All right. Have my wire cutter here. Now I have this wire here. I'm going to use it to secure the flowers on here. Now, because you have this material on it, it's going to be hard to just glue the flowers on it. So I'm thinking of securing it as well with the wire so it doesn't fall off. Okay. So the first thing you can do before you put it together is lay it out and see how you want it. And I like to put the greenery first. Okay. When you're doing decor, greenery go down first if you want some greenery on there. And if you notice, I have a piece of stem hanging from this greenery. And the way I want this, I'm going to pull the material up, and I want this piece of greenery resting like so on top. Okay? I'm going to take my hot glue gun, and I'm going to try and put a lot in it so it can soak through the material. And a matter of fact, let's do this first. Put some enough where it can soak through the material and go right on the broom itself, so it will hold the material down. There we go. And then I'm going to hold it down with this piece that I just cut off and let it dry. Blow on it to speed it up. There you go. Now I'm going to add the greenery right here. I want it to be a little higher, like so. Just peeking over the material. Now I'm going to glue it down. I already have some glue that's still not dry, but I'm going to put a lot, guys. That's why I'm using my big glue gun. I'm putting a lot on it to hold it down. I'm just adding it. I want this greenery towards the side of the plant. My idea is to have it going towards, flowing towards the right side of the broom. If the broom is facing you, then the left side. While that is drying, I'm going to add the fern. Now this piece, I'm going to stick it right in the glue. This has a lot of glue there. This one I'm going to add, I have two pieces. I have one is longer than the other, and I did that for a purpose because I want it cascading down. So I'm going to add this piece here. Not too close because you want to ruin it. Now this piece of leaf here, this piece that came off, I'm going to use it as part of the decor, so you can just pull it off. Okay, so you can take the floral wire and push it through the material and further secure it. You can just tie it with the just tie the floral wire with it and just kind of hold it in place more, but I'm not going to do that. I'm trying not to do too much work here today. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the flowers. I have two pieces that was left from the roses that I cut off, so I'm going to stick them in here. All right, so I completed the base of the broom. Now I'm going to decorate the top of it. You do not have to do anything to the top. It looks fine. It looks beautiful just as is, but it's a wedding and I just like to do something different. Now I got this lace from Walmart and it's so pretty. And I am going to cut it. Now at the end, one part of the lace, actually this part, okay, you notice it has this nice pattern at the end, so I want that to be facing down on the broom. So I'm going to measure here, so let's do that. Measure this part to here, and in between it, it's 6 inches. So I'm going to go to 4.5 inches. I'm going to cover 4.5 inches of the broom, and I'm going to leave this out. It's just a decor I am going for, and I feel like it's going to look beautiful. So let's do it. All right, so now I'm going to add the pearls. And there you have it. I am done. It is beautiful. Let me show you. Now, that's it. That's the decor. It's very pretty. I have the material right here. It's a type of, I believe, organza. I'm gonna make sure you pull it so it's showing on both sides. Okay, so that is what it looks like close up. The handle, close up. So it looks pretty good. So the back of it looks like this. You notice it's really secure. Okay, I didn't take the beads all the way around. You can if you want to. I just let the big one, the 4 of the big ones, to stay on the side here, on the back of it. But you can fill this part in if you want to. So, yeah. So, beautiful broom for Jump the Broom. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I did a great job. I hope you guys like it as well. Comment below. Remember to like. Click on that bell so you get alerts whenever I upload my videos. And thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate all of you. Thank you again, and See you in my next video.